93.5 FM, Pirate Radio. Playing the music you like to hear. Oh, Julie. Yeah, so that's for Julie today. Brenda Lee before that had some Tempting Temptations in there. And also John Denver, our Colorado native. All right, so there you had your little mini set. 8:48 right now. Time check brought to you by Fort Collins Nursery, keeping yards and homes green since 1932. I'm your Captain Cruise Director Sue. And before we go, we got to talk fresh veggies with Lisa Boson. If you've been listening, you've been hearing her Fresh Pick Minute. Hi, Lisa.
Hi. Thanks for having me back.
Of course. Glad to have you back. And lots of things are coming in our gardens. And we're going to talk about garlic today. And I was telling you about the giant zucchini that, I'll pick that tomorrow. Did you ever do that where you say, I'll pick that tomorrow. It'll be just right. And then it's like the size of your, leg.
Absolutely. Then you have to think about what to do next.
That's right. So we got lots of ideas for that, and you'll be hearing that coming up here pretty soon. We've talked root vegetables over the summer. We've talked about asparagus. We've talked about strawberry and raspberries and all the good berry things. And so now it's garlic season.
It is so exciting. This is one of my favorite seasons.
Yay.
Yeah, we think of August as peaches, but I want people to really visit the stands and experience the garlic that we have here. It's amazing.
Is it?
Yeah,
is it like a special Colorado garlic, or what makes it so special?
I think I had no idea there was more than just the white elephant that you have in the store.
Right.
And there's at least 18 different types of garlic that are grown here. There's reds and whites and soft necks and hard necks. And I don't know if it's the soil or just farmers just experimenting with it and realizing it's just amazing.
Yeah.
And so, I really encourage garlic. It's very special here. We're in a growing area. And so, it's everywhere now. They're pulling it, drying it, and you're going to be seeing it at the markets.
Okay. So I just bought some. I think I was on plant rescue mode, and this one was looking kind of sad, and it was half price. So I bought it because I thought Lisa will tell me what to do with it once I have it in my garden. So it's in my garden, and it looks great, but now it's blooming. So what do I do next?
Well, I'm not a master gardener, but if it's blooming, that could be a garlic scape. And so you have the bloom at the top, which is actually a bunch of little baby garlic that you can do something with. I'm getting ready to ferment some.
Yay.
And then the scape, I just made pasta out of the scapes.
Okay.
So, but most of what we're seeing now is going to be the pulled heads. What we traditionally see is garlic.
Sure.
Yeah.
So is that what's underneath my dirt then?
That is what's underneath your dirt. Is amazing.
Okay.
Fantastic. Fresh garlic, juicy garlic. You never think of garlic as juicy, but it is. When you grate it, it's juicy.
Fantastic.
And makes the best tune and salad dressing and dip. And, try it fresh. Try mincing it. Try
throwing it in some olive oil.
Yeah, throw it in olive oil. Grate it. Just try slice it. Try different ways to actually cut and prepare it. You can smoke it, but I think for these special garlics that we have here, because we have like Ukrainian reds, we have Scotty's reds, we have...
I heard about black garlic.
Black garlic is different. So black garlic is not a fresh garlic. It's usually a fermented garlic.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah.
I was wondering about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would, definitely visit every farmer's market. There's actually a new one in LaPorte. I have to give them a little shout out.
Oh, sure.
Okay?
Absolutely.
For the folks on the north side, on Sundays, there is a farmers market now in LaPorte at the American Legion, and there's a garlic grower there. She's got 6 different kinds.
Surprise, it's in LaPorte.
There is one everywhere now.
Yeah,
there's Saturday and Sundays.
So you don't even have to have your own garden.
You do not.
Don't
even
worry
have to
about
have your
grasshoppers like I was just talking to you about.
No, you're like me. You got a cottonwood. You're not going to have a garden for me. But
right.
Somebody else always does it better, and they're really doing great garlic. Peaches are great this time of year, but go for the garlic when you see it. Test it and try the different varieties. Some are a little spicier. Some are more pungent. Some are more mild. But they're all juicy.
And you can and you can always roast them. If worst comes to worst, just roast it. Yeah. But no, that sounds great. And I know people are like, but what about my breath? Well, just have everybody eat it.
It's good for your health too. It's
That's
super good.
Really
for your
good.
It's really good for your blood pressure.
Garlic, blood pressure. Yeah. That's good to know.
So I'm not really a homeopath, but the studies are out there. It's good.
Sure.
It's good for your blood pressure.
You can do your own research on that.
Yeah, do your own research on that. But it's yummy, good, juicy, fresh.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Sounds great. Yeah. And that'll be so we can find probably fresh garlic until the end of August.
Yeah, I would say until the end of August.
Okay.
And then once it gets it's popular. Once it's gone, it's gone.
Right.
It's kind of like those Palisades peaches. Once they are gone, they are gone. Yeah. The
Right.
the garlic. I'm pushing the garlic because it was an amazing find when I moved here. It's just
sure.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's terrific. Okay, so if people want to find out more and get some recipes or look at your cookbook or any of that, how do we do that?
Yeah, you can visit my website. It's Your Season. It's a .life, not a .com.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can go to the website. There's lots of free stuff out there. If you want to help you figure out how to eat more plants here in northern Colorado because we have such an abundance. Absolutely.
I love that. And thanks for doing the Fresh Pick Minute. We appreciate that for summer. And I don't know what we'll be able to do in the winter, but sure is great to have you here this summer.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the
you
time.
supporting the station and supporting fresh veggies.
That's right.
All right, Lisa, give me your best arg.
Arrgh.
And there it is.
Land Ho, the